Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the brand new Motorola Edge 60 Pro, the latest flagship that's giving serious competition to Samsung, OnePlus, and even Google Pixel in 2025. Let's see why this phone is turning heads. The Moto Edge 60 Pro comes with a sleek, curved glass design and a super lightweight build, making it both premium and comfortable to hold. Up front, you get a stunning 6.7-inch POLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, perfect for gamers and binge watchers. Bright, smooth, and buttery visuals, Motorola nailed it here. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. This phone is built for speed, whether it's multitasking, heavy gaming, or future-proofing for AI features. And yes, it's running on a clean Android 15 experience, which is a big plus for anyone tired of bloatware. On the camera side, the Edge 60 Pro packs a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. The real kicker? Motorola's AI camera tuning brings out vibrant details even in low light. And selfie lovers, the 60-megapixel front camera is one of the sharpest you'll find in 2025. Battery life is solid too. A 5,000 mAh battery with 125-watt turbo power fast charging plus 50-watt wireless charging. Basically, you can go from 0 to 100 in under 20 minutes. That's insane speed compared to most flagships. So overall, the Moto Edge 60 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting flagships of 2025. Powerful performance, insane cameras, and crazy fast charging. What do you guys think? Would you pick this over a Galaxy or Pixel? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns.